Hello, welcome to another Business English Conversation session. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about financial security, your financial security, your personal financial security. I've got 5 steps that I'd like for you to consider in helping improve your financial security. I don't know about you, but that is a very big thing with me, and I'm pretty sure that most everybody would like to have some level of financial security. So, 5 steps. First thing on the agenda would be pay as you go. By that, I mean get rid of those credit cards. Or, if you're using credit cards, make sure and pay them off every month. Force yourself not to spend more than what you can pay off. A better way, which we went to a long time ago, was, if you've got the ability to do this, to use a debit card. Because if you use a debit card, it's out of your bank just as soon as you swipe the card. So use a debit card, pay off those credit cards every single month. Second item under pay as you go, create a budget. Create a budget for yourself and stick to it. And I'm talking about every single thing that you spend. Everything. Create a budget, monthly, bi-monthly, weekly, whatever, based on whatever your time, whatever you get paid. How much can you spend in that period of time? How much do you have to spend? And then what's left to spend on other things? Second item in financial security is to pay yourself first. You be the very first one that gets paid. How do you do this? Automatic withdrawal into your savings account. Create a savings account, label the account. Label it my future, my car fund, my new home fund, my travel fund, my emergency fund, whatever you want to label it. But automatically let the bank transfer money into that account every single time you get paid. How much can you save? Well, I don't know. But you've got to set a number and say, how much can I save? And then I would suggest to you, once you've come up with that number, add 10%. Add 10% and get that transferred into that savings account. You'd be surprised. It won't take long, and that account will start to grow and grow and grow. Item number 3. Increase your retirement savings by 1 percentage point. Now, I don't know what kind of retirement that you've got. I hope you've got something. But whatever kind of retirement plan or program that you've got, put some money into it. If you don't have one, start one. And I'm talking about some kind of a plan that pays interest and grows over a period of time. It grows over all time, hopefully. Maybe it's stock market in your country, or maybe it's what we call an IRA, an individual retirement account, or something of that nature. So create that retirement plan for yourself, put some money in there, and then every year increase what you're contributing to that fund by 1%. If you can start out at 1%, that's fine. That's a start. Year number 2, move that up to 2%, and so on down the line. Your goal should be to be putting into your retirement fund at least 10% of your income every year. Take a look at that. I think you'll find it very useful. Number 4. Protect your family. If your family is dependent on your income, then you need to protect them just in case something happens. And how do you do that? Well, you do it through some kind of a life insurance policy. Hopefully that is available to you where you're at. Take advantage of it. Doesn't have to be big. Start out small. You can increase it over time, but get some life insurance. Protect your family. Item number 5. Live below your means and within your needs. Let me say that again. Live below your means and within your needs. In other words, how much do I have to spend? How much do I need to spend? Could I buy the same thing for less? Do I need to spend 30% more? I'll give you a silly example. My wife is fantastic at buying really nice things. Every piece of clothing I've got, she probably bought for me. But you know what? She goes to a couple stores and buys nice, good quality, good looking stuff, but she gets them off the clearance rack, or she gets them off the rack that's 40% off or 60% off or whatever. I've never known her to buy something at full price. Never. But we always have nice things, but we don't spend more than we need to. Spend only what you need to spend. The richest people in the world, the wealthiest people in the world, stay that way because they spend what they need to spend. They don't get lavish and spend more than what they've got. The smart ones don't. The ones who do that end up being bankrupt at some point in time. Pay as you go. Pay yourself first. Increase your savings plan, your retirement savings plan. Look into a life insurance policy. Live below your means and within your needs. Again, I'll tell you, mention if you would like some help with a financial spreadsheet, a budget spreadsheet, just send me a note. Send me a note, george@businessenglishconversations.com, and I'll be glad to fire one off to you. It's very simple. It's an Excel spreadsheet. I've been using this basic format for many, many years, 10, 15 years probably. And it works because you put down what has to be spent on, whether it's utilities or housing or car payments or whatever, and then you plug in the rest of the things that you need. And it really helps when it comes time to saving some money. So send me a note if you'd like one. I'll be glad to send it back to you. Send me a note with what you think about this whole idea, steps to financial security. That's it for today. I'll be back soon with a few more ideas to hopefully help you in your career and your personal financial life. Bye for now.